In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account. It's easy. Just follow these steps. To disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook, you need to open Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. And then here at home, we need to go to menu by clicking on this button here. We need to scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Then go to Settings. We need to go to Accounts Center. Here it is. Click on it. If you can't find the Account Center here, you can go to the search bar instead and search for Account Center. Here it is. Click on it. Now if I click on Profiles, I can see here that I have two accounts in my Account Center. The first one is my Facebook account, and the second one is my Instagram. So to remove the Instagram, what we are going to do is we need to go back here, scroll down, and click on Accounts. We can now remove or disconnect our Instagram account from Facebook by clicking on this Remove button here. One thing to keep in mind that this will not delete your Instagram account. It will just disconnect it from Facebook. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, we have a separate tutorial about that. Just pick the link above or in the description. If you are now sure to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook, just click on Remove Account. Then click on Continue. Then Yes, Remove. We have successfully removed our Instagram account from Facebook.